Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the other annoyances for some people is the notifications in Windows 10. You might have noticed that on the right side of your screen you've got notifications popping up. You might have information in there, and when you click on the bottom right for the panel for the notifications and of course the different settings buttons, what happens is that you will see a variety of notifications that might be good, might be bad, or might be, maybe not always good. It all depends on so many things. So you have several ways to manage notifications. First of all, when you see notifications on that panel, one of the first things you could do is just tell whatever notification you're getting. So this one is the trend in security. I kind of like it that it tells me it's all right, so I won't touch it. But you can click see fewer notifications. Or on the settings, you can click see fewer notifications. And in some cases, it will bring you, if you want, to the notifications for the apps. So in this case, I'll leave it like that. That is a notification from the Windows Security app, which is always something you want. I'll simply erase the notification. But in the case of notifications from an app that you don't want, then one of the things that I suggest is, rather than turning it completely off, is to go and check out the apps that will notify you of something. So go into your, right-click your Start button and go into your settings. In here, you will see in the System tab that on the left side you've got Notifications and Actions. So here, you'll see Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. You can just turn that switch off, and that switches all notifications off. That means you'll never get notifications in the panel at all. If you do not wish to receive any, that's the way to go. But you can, of course, keep it on and just say which ones you want to have or not. So you can go and you can change the notification. So for example, mail, okay, I want some. Snip and sketch, okay. Settings, yeah. Automatic file download, I don't necessarily need to see this. Autoplay, Microsoft Store, so this will give me, for example, app updates. You will have calendar if you have an event, if you use calendar, and of course have appointments, for example. That might be nice to be on the notifications panel, so I'm going to be okay with that. Microsoft Edge, no, not really. Skype, well, I don't use Skype much, so I'm going to turn that off because I don't need to have it there. One thing that might be the only thing that annoys people is the sound. For example, I do a lot of recording on this computer. I do not want to have a notification that plays a little sound because it might actually be intrusive and get into the recording of what I do. So you can actually remove the check mark, allow notifications to play sounds. That means notifications are going to be there, but they're going to be quiet. So you won't have any disruptions in the sound. Then you can see stuff like show reminders of incoming voice over IP calls on lock screen, stuff like that. I personally don't care. And show notifications on the lock screen. I don't really want them on the lock screen, so you can do that and remove these check marks. But like I said, general switch, just turn get notifications from apps and other senders off. Turns it off, no more worries, no more notifications of anything. It all depends on how you use your computer. Some of you might never want to have those. I like to have those, but only for very specific apps. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.